The vocabulary word we are exploring now is kit. Kit. Imagine a small box filled with tools, ready to help in an emergency or create something fun. That's a kit, a collection of items grouped together for a specific purpose, whether it's for survival, first aid, or art. Meaning of kit. A kit is a set of tools, materials, or equipment grouped together for a specific use or task, like a first aid kit or a sewing kit. Examples: she carried a first aid kit in her backpack. The science kit included wires, magnets, and batteries. He bought a grooming kit for his dog. Short story. When a storm hit their town, Rohan's family lost electricity for 2 days. Luckily, Rohan had prepared a survival kit with flashlights, batteries, canned food, and a small radio. As the wind howled outside, his family gathered around, using the items from the kit. They even played cards by lantern light. That simple kit turned a scary situation into a cozy, bonding experience. From then on, Rohan became known as the emergency expert in the neighborhood, inspiring others to create their own kits too.